Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. If you haven't clicked on that subscribe button, make sure you click on it and ring the bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. So over the Thanksgiving break, I was able to purchase quite a few makeup items from the drugstore. And one in particular that I have been dying to try for a while now is the Profusion Liquid Glitter eyeshadows. Now I picked up two sets. This one is called Tingle, and this is more of a kind of more of a platinum-y gold color, and this one is called Glimmer, and this is more of a coppery kind of rose gold color. So I've been anxiously awaiting the day that I get to sit down and film and show you guys how these little beauties are going to perform. I also picked up a fairly new item to the Profusion line, and this one is their glitter eyeliner. Isn't that so pretty, guys? That is more of like a silver glitter eyeliner. I'm really hoping that these little babies are going to work because they are very affordable. I also wanted to try out this little collection that they have. This one is called the Lippy Squad, and these are all little liquid lipsticks, and I think those are lip toppers. So everything else is like a cream liquid lip, and then you have the two lip toppers in here. Guys, I will make sure to leave links to the products if they are available on the Profusion website in the description box down below, so you guys can definitely check this out. But I got all four of these items here. I picked them up at Walmart in store. I'm not too sure if Walmart carries them online or not, but you're better off just going into the store. That way you can look at the colors in person and see which one it is that you're going to want to pick up. So today we're going to be doing eyes and we're going to be doing lips, and I can't wait to get this video started, so keep on watching. To prime my eyelids, I went in with a little bit of concealer and loose setting powder, so they are good to go. I also have mascara on. I was out running some errands, so I didn't want to be totally barefaced, so that is the only thing that I have on my eyes besides the concealer and loose powder. So before I dive into the liquid glitter eyeshadows, I want to do a little bit of something in my crease to really define that transition area, and I'm going to be using the Profusion Sultry palette for that. I picked this beautiful palette up at Walmart. You get 24 shades in here. I don't remember the price. It could have been $8 or $10, but definitely not more than 12 bucks. They do still have this available in the stores, and I believe on the Profusion website in case you are wanting to check that out. And it does come with a little blending brush, which I am going to use right now. And the color that I'm going to start with is Adventurous, and I'm just going to work that in my crease area. These colors go on so well. They blend out so easily, and as you can see, there is really good pigmentation with this color. It is the actual color that's in the pan. That's what transitions onto your eyelid. So I really love that. They are true to color. All right, so I love the way that blended out. I love the color that it is. I'm gonna deepen up that crease just ever so slightly, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Wonder. I'm going to go back in with Adventurous, and I'm going to place that on my lower lash line. All right, so now that we have a good base going on the eyelids, it's time to start playing with some glitter. And the first one I'm gonna go in with is this one in the shade Glimmer. Now in this little set, you do get a waterproof shadow stick, and you do get a sparkling eye topper, which is going to be the liquid glitter in here. So let's try this out. This little set retails for $6.98. Again, I picked it up at Walmart in store. This is the waterproof shadow stick in the shade Glimmer. This is the sparkling eye topper, also in the shade Glimmer. Really nice. They look like they're really going to complement each other really well. So let's start putting these on the eyelids. I'm going to do this side with Glimmer, and then I'll do this side in the shade Twinkle. So far, it's easy to work with. It's going on just fine. Just kind of working up to where I put that darker shade in my crease. I'm gonna take a small little brush and just kind of blend out the edges of that real quick. And this is a clean brush, nothing is on it. All right, so that layered really well. It went on like a dream, really easy, quick, something just to pop on your lids and go out the door. Really nice little shimmer effect going on there. And I really like it. It was really easy to work with. Now for the fun part, we're gonna go in with the glitter topper. Ooh, wow. Ooh, that looks nice. It does feel really wet when you're putting it on, but it is building up really nicely. What do you think? It adhered really well to that shadow stick. Ooh, I like that a lot. Look at that. That's a really pretty sparkle. All right, so I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna move over to my left eye and we're gonna go in with the shade Twinkle. This is the shade Twinkle right here. This is the waterproof shadow stick. Really nice pale gold color. Really like that. That's a great color for the inner corner. And now let me do the glitter topper. This one looks stunning. Whoa. Oh my God, guys. This is beautiful. That is Twinkle. That is so pretty. That's giving me Stila vibes right there. Diamond dust. All right, so let me do a little bit of Twinkle, the shadow stick, on my left eye. This one went on really easily as well. I'm just gonna get a little brush and kind of blend out the edges right there. These would be great, guys, to take like on a beach vacation when you don't want to really mess with anything. You just want a nice little sparkle still going onto your eyes. Just pop these on and you are good to go. All right, so what do you guys think? That is the shadow stick in Twinkle. So far, I'm loving this, guys. I'm really, really impressed. I mean, you get both items for about $7. That is a complete steal. Let's see how this glitter topper is going to perform. Whoa. Oh, hello. I didn't even have to dip back in. Like, that was all... That's all one coat right there, guys. This one is in the shade Twinkle. Wow. I'm just gonna kind of blend it right in here. I feel like it kind of got away from me right there. And it spread evenly. It adhered to all of the eyelid. Add just a tiny bit right here. All right, so I'm gonna let this eye dry. And guys, I really don't even feel like I need to do anything to this eye. I mean, wow, it looks really nice. Both of these eyes look really, really nice. For $7, I think we have a really good dupe on our hands. What do you guys think? I'm impressed. I'm really, really impressed. The other day, I don't know if you got a chance to watch that video, which I'm hoping you did. I reviewed the new e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadows, and those were just, I mean, they were okay, and those were $5. But guys, these plus the shadow stick for $7, I think this is going to be your best bet at the drugstore. So far, this is the best liquid glitter I've ever tried at the drugstore. So I'm a huge fan of the Stila Magnificent Metals. I have Diamond Dust. I have the one, what is it called? Kitten Karma. And I really enjoy using those. But these guys are, they perform just as well. Now I want to go into the new glitter eyeliner. I do enjoy using the glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay, but that one, of course, is over $20. So I got this one. This one was how much? This one was $3.98. So for $4, I'm hoping that we have a good little dupe on our hands here. So this is in the shade Crystal Diamond, and let me show you what the applicator looks like. You have a tiny little brush right there. And let me go ahead and I'm going to do it over here in the middle. Okay, so this one really closely resembles Twinkle. the one here on my left eye. So there it is right there in the center. All right, so let me start applying this. I'm gonna place this on my inner corner. Now on this eye, and I'll start with this eye, I'm gonna have to come down a little bit just because the shades are so similar to each other. It still feels wet. It still feels the way the glitter eye toppers felt when I first applied them, but both eyes have already dried down. Now I'm just waiting for these inner corners to dry. But man, this little beauty, this one is working. This is gonna give Urban Decay and Stila a run for their money. Yeah, I think I found my New Year's Eve look right here. What do you guys think? Let me go in with a liquid lipstick and one of these beautiful little lip toppers in here. This little set of 6 lippies retailed for $6.98, which is not bad at all. I'm going to swatch the shades for you as well. This is in the shade Poetic Matte. This is in the shade Impulsive Matte. This is in the shade Pure Matte. This is in the shade Sahara Matte. This is the Obsess Topper. This is the Nectar Topper. I'm gonna go in with the shade Impulsive Matte. They seem to be doing a good job of covering. They really are opaque. They're not sheer. So this is Impulsive Matte. It is already drying down. The tackiness, the stickiness is already going away. I really think it's a pretty shade. Now I'm gonna go in with the Obsessed Topper. Not really impressed with this. I think it showed up better on my swatch than it does on the lips, but it does kind of gloss the lips up a little bit, keeps them from getting really matte, so I guess it's okay for that. But as far as being my favorite, no, not really. I really like the liquid lipstick a lot better than I like the topper. All right, guys, my final thoughts on these beautiful Profusion products is that they are getting 2 huge thumbs up from me. I absolutely loved everything that I tried. Even the lip topper has grown on me and I really like it. My lips, they don't feel tacky, they don't feel sticky, they feel really nice and smooth, and I really love the color. The glitter, guys, it goes without saying. I mean, who would have thought that for $7 you can get something that is neck and neck with Stila? Like, the Magnificent Metals, you know, are a holy grail of so many people around the world. They are a really high rated product and they're pretty much the go-to. They are the standard when it comes to liquid glitter. But Profusion is right there breathing down Stila's neck, and for $7, the sparkle that is on my eyes, guys, it's unbeatable. It's a no-brainer. If you're looking for a new look for Christmas, for New Year's, which is like 3 weeks away, look no further than Walmart or Target or TJ Maxx, wherever they sell Profusion, guys. Run, don't walk. Grab these little eye sparkler kits. I highly recommend them. Even try out the liquid glitter eyeliner. I think you'd be really happy with it. And the little lippy kits, I mean, would you rather carry around one of these or a full-size tube of lipstick? I would rather carry around a little mini size. I love when lippies come in mini size. I think they're so much better for keeping in your purse, keeping in your pocket, and taking with you on the go. So how are we gonna end the new year? With glitter. We're gonna be sparkling all the way into 2020. Hey guys, I wanted to pop on here real quick and show you guys how well this Profusion liquid glitter topper has lasted on my eyes. I have gotten no fallout, and I have had this on for at least 12 hours, if not a little bit longer. It's the end of the day. I'm tired. I just got back from a function and I am ready to take off my makeup. But you can see, guys, look at that. The glitter is still intact, even right here around my eyes, my inner corner. Everything looks so good. I'm so happy with this, guys. And I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like at the end of the day. And as you can see, no fallout.
Hey guys, this is day 2 of me wearing the Profusion glitter topper, and look at my eyes, guys. It's been 11 hours that I've applied this glitter topper, and holy cow, it looks amazing. I am so pleased with it. I have no glitter fallout, as you can see. I haven't really even been able to touch up. I've been so busy all day long. But look at that sparkle, guys. Look at that sparkle. It is still there, still intact. I did not use the shadow stick today. All I did was put a little bit of the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream eyeshadow palette. I used a couple of the colors from there, and then I laid the glitter over the inner to middle portion of my eyelid. As you can see there, I applied some black eyeliner, and that's it. I didn't use a glitter glue. I didn't use a specific primer. I usually just prime my eyes during the week with concealer and some setting powder, and let's go. I'm in a hurry. I don't have too much time during the week to do my makeup. And wow, look at that.
I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You guys have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.